progressing to the next definition, we're trying to define all the terminologies, all right, before we start discussing about chronic kidney disease in proper. This is because defining the terminologies will now help us, okay? It will help us to be able to hit the main stops. Do you understand? Like, let me say later on when we are calling these terminologies as we are discussing chronic kidney disease, you guys will still understand it, okay? So for chronic renal failure, or some people call it chronic kidney failure, is what we are describing next. All right, so chronic renal failure is known as chronic kidney failure. Of course, anything chronic has been there for a very long time, so it's a long-term condition characterized by gradual and irreversible loss of the kidney function, and this is over time. You can see the over time there, very important part of the definition, right? So it can lead to what? Accumulation of dangerous things in the body. Okay, so features of chronic kidney failure is the duration factor is there. It must be way above. The thing has been there for more than 3 months. Do you understand? Progression usually goes on slowly. Do you understand? So usually you might not even notice it in the early stages. So if they are diagnosing it, most of the times is when it has actually gotten to like stage 2, stage 3, stage 4. So common causes could be diabetes mellitus, high blood pressure, glomerulonephritis, polycystic kidney disease. All of these are actually culprits to this. So complications lead to fluid retention, electrolyte imbalances, anemia, bone disease, increased risk of cardiovascular events, and it can actually go on to progress to become end-stage renal disease. Okay, so diagnosis: use blood tests to pick it up, use urine tests to pick it up, use imaging or biopsies to also pick it up. Alright, so that's just it for the definition of chronic renal failure. We even went out to still discuss other aspects of the disease condition, but right, so just stay up and we'll continue talking about all these things.